you are going to actually use to create this Payoneer account. All right, so let me just load up the pictures. So once you are done putting in that you already have a Payoneer account, the next step you are going to go over is to first of all log in into the site, that's the company you are working with. All right, because this is actually the practical process I want to show you. So let me just reload this page so you can actually see the proven method you can actually use. All right, so stick with me. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to go to the subscribe button down below and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and actually turn on the post notification so you get notified whenever I share with you recent and helpful videos on how you can actually run your business online. Okay, so this is the site. It has already finished re-uploading. Is actually uploading here. I want to actually show you the visual representation. As you can see it, the first step is to actually log into your Payoneer account. That's for freelancers. If you are actually a freelancer, you are going to log into your Payoneer account, or rather sorry, your Upwork account. As you can see it, this is the first process here. You are going to log in to your Upwork account. So once you are logged into your Upwork account, the next step is to actually click the down arrow icon at the top right side of your screen. All right, next the profile image, and select settings from the drop down. As you can see, this is down below. Let me show you. You can actually see the picture down below because I actually took my time to make research of this video so you can be able to see it. As you can see, you are going to click the arrow of the settings. All right, this is it. Let me still show you again so you can see it well. You are going to go over to the settings in your account. So once you go over to the settings, this is it here. You are going to go over to the settings. So once you go over to the settings, in the user settings section, click the get paid and then click add method. All right, this is it here. Okay, so you are going to click on the get paid, and this is it down below. You are going to click on get paid. So once you click on get paid, you are going to click on the add method, and this is it right below. All right, that's if you are actually using Upwork. If you are actually using Upwork, this process is for you. You are going to see the add method. So once you click on the add method, you will then see the payment method page. All right, so once you click on that page, you are going to see the payment method page. Then select Payoneer as your preferred payment method by clicking setup. As you can see down below, we have a bunch of actually payment method here, but you are going to use Payoneer because we are actually using Payoneer here. As you can see, the setup, and this Payoneer down below. As you can see, Payoneer, we have PayPal, we have direct bank transfers. This is it. You are going to use this page. Then you are going to click on the setup. So once you click on setup, the next step you are going to go over is you redirected to the Payoneer sign up application. So if you already have a Payoneer account, you are going to simply click on the already have a Payoneer account at the top right side of your screen. As you can see, this is it at the top right side of your screen. This is it here. All right, this hit already have a Payoneer account. Click here. So you don't need to actually create a new account if you already have a Payoneer account. All you need to do is to link up your Payoneer account to the company you are working with. All right, so once you click on that, you are going to enter your password, your username, and continue as prompted. So irrespective of the company you are actually working with, you don't actually need to receive that $50 that you are required from Payoneer account to have a receiving account. Once you are able to link this account, then you are all set up to receive payments from this method. You are going to automatically actually have a receiving account. That's an international account. All right, so this is where you are going to be redirected to after you click on the setup. You enter your password and your username and add Upwork as a funding source. Okay, so at the end of the process, Upwork will be added as a funding source to your Payoneer account. All right, so as you can see, once you are done, you are going to log into your account and you are going to see that you have already added Upwork or added Payoneer as your payment method. And once Upwork sees that you have already added Payoneer as your payment option, they are going to automatically create an international account for you. Okay, so once you are ready, you are going to get started, log into your account, and you are going to see the international account to receive international payments. All right, I'm going to show you how I did mine, and this is actually the process I use, and this is the account I already have on my own. I actually have up to 3 receiving accounts, and I didn't even deposit any money in that account. I actually use this process to get started. So some of you actually in my subsequent video were requesting me to create a process on how you can actually have receiving account. So this is the video here. All you can do for me at the end of this video is to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, like this video, because this video needs to get visibility and others too need to discover what you are actually discovering in this channel. All right, see you you in my next video, guys.